So rather than trying to come back to the body, a body which we are not aware of, rather than trying to speak kindly to ourselves, it's okay, rather than trying to feel our feet on the ground, which is something I do recommend, rather than trying to do all of that, we need to get in touch with the situation as it is. And we do that by acknowledging the reality of the situation. So the reality may be, I can't get back. I can't get back. I can't get back into my body. I can't feel anything. I can't feel anything. I can't feel anything. I can't feel my body. Or I can't get back to my body. We need to explore this. We need to look at what's going on for us when we're disassociated. We need to look at these narratives, and I can pretty much guarantee it'll be something along those lines. I can't get back. I can't get back. So we'll use this as an example, and I'll go over the technique. I can't get back. I can't get back. I'm disassociated. I'm acting being disassociated, but I'm also very familiar with disassociation. It's not pure act, but for the sake of this video, let's just kind of bring the disassociation and the experience of it in, and it would go like, I can't get back. 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 And as I'm saying this, I'm getting in touch with my reality. And one thing a person that experiences disassociation will know is that we are, to some extent, lost in thought. We're lost in non-reality. We're lost in a version of events that is not happening. It's an illusion. We're lost in this kind of dreamlike state, is a good way to put it. We're dreaming, but we can't wake up. And we acknowledge this situation by saying, I can't get back, I can't get back, I can't get back, I'm dreaming, I'm lost in my head, whatever. And, as we do this, we notice that the body starts to engage. If you've heard me talk before, you'll hear me say things like the body always tells the truth, or the body loves the truth. The body doesn't like it when we lie. The body doesn't like it when we make up stories or try to create things that are not in touch with reality. So we're going to acknowledge the reality of our situation. I can't get back, I can't get back, I can't get back. And as we say this, the body starts to light up. The body comes online. The body says, yes, you're telling the truth. And in that moment, in that recognition, in that directing our attention towards the reality, the body lights up. And if we think about what disassociation is, it's an absence of the body. The body is not included in disassociation. We're just lost out there somewhere and we can't get back. And all of a sudden we acknowledge the reality of our situation, and then the body starts to light up. The body starts to come back online. And I'm saying come back online, but what I'm really saying is the body, that we'll start to journeying back to the body. And we're not really journeying, but we're coming to some awareness of the existence of our body, and that's where we need to be. If we're disassociated, and if we disassociate regularly, we need to come back to the body. And acknowledging this statement, the body starts to be included in our awareness field again. I can't get back, 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 I can't get back. And as I'm saying I can't get back, there's some level of energy that comes up. So there's a difference. One is like a feeling of the body agreeing, yes, you're telling the truth. And then second, there is an emotion that comes with it. And this is also key. There is an emotion that comes with it. For me, it's a little bit of anger, like I can't get back, I can't get back, I can't get back, I can't get back, I can't get back. Well, all of a sudden, I have not just the body agreeing with me and lighting up, I have a level of emotion, like I'm pissed off, I'm just lost in my mind, I can't get back, I can't get back, I can't get back. All of a sudden, I start to get agitated, I start to get pissed off. And this is not a bad thing, this is a really good thing. This is a really good thing because all of a sudden, we have bodily agreement from the body, and then we have an emotion, so the body starts to communicate back with us. Well, what's really going on? I'm angry right now. I'm angry because I can't get back. So two ways in which the body starts to communicate, two ways we start to treat disassociation. But the point I want to make with this, what I really want to hammer home, is that in us doing this practice, in us doing this work, we're not just using tricks and techniques to get back on, trick ourselves to get back inside the body. No, we're actually facing the root cause of why we disassociated. And let me tell you what I mean. So as I was saying, I can't get back, anger started to surface. There was some level of anger in my system. I can't get back. Well, that anger was always there. That emotion of anger was always there. But it's quite likely that when I disassociate, I don't want to feel anger. I don't want to show anger. I don't want to express anger. So I start to retreat. I start to hide. I start to come away from anger. And when I come away to such an extent, mine was actually more sadness. The reason I disassociate so much is because I'd have a lot of sadness, a lot of hurt in my system, and it'd just be too much for me to deal with this hurt. So eventually I'd end up hanging out up here, so I didn't have to feel any feelings of hurt. And as I started to journey back in, I'd start feeling this sadness, like I don't want to disassociate, I don't want to do it, and but for right now it's a little bit of anger, and it'll be different for each of us. It may be sadness, hurt, anger, it could be fear. Fear's a big one. But whatever it is, we're going to be treating the root cause in this approach. So we're not just coming back to the body and having some relief, which we are, but it doesn't stop there. We're also getting to the root of it by journeying back through the feelings. Journeying back through the feelings that caused the disassociation in the first place. So we journey, first of all, we go from the body up past the mind, the throat, the mind, the head, and then we kind of get lost in here. And then we start to journey back through the mind, the throat, and then into the core repression. And we first start with the thoughts. I can't get back. We come down to the throat, we start to express, I want to get back, I'm angry. And then we get to the core repression, the pain within the body, which is going to look a little bit different, and I won't talk about that too much right now, but we delve into the reason we come up. And in journeying back through the disassociation, coming back to the body, we authentically change, we authentically transmute and change and actually integrate the energies in a productive way, in an effective way. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and I'll see you again soon.